Hi guys, Bafroctays here, and welcome to my tutorial on how to host Twitter Spaces on your laptop or PC. So this is a method I've been using for close to 3 months now, and I decided to try and host spaces on my PC because of all the technical glitches that came with the mobile app version. So far so good. And with this method as well, it has made it way easier for me to record the spaces on my own and stream my spaces directly to YouTube. And the other benefit is that I can use professional microphones to try and sound as best as possible. So yeah, in this tutorial, I'll basically be showing you what method I use, and hopefully, if you are keen, you can use it too. Cool. So firstly, the app I use to actually run Twitter. As you may know, you can't host Twitter Spaces on the Twitter web, and you actually have to host it on your cell phone. And to basically bypass this requirement, I use an app called BlueStacks. And what this app basically does is it emulates a cell phone. So when you open it on your PC, it's going to be like you're using an Android device. And I'll just show you what the app looks like. So this is the website. I actually use BlueStacks 4. BlueStacks 5 did just come out, but I haven't managed to figure it out yet. But I use BlueStacks 4. So if you are on Windows, you can just download any of these and run them on your PC. I did try and use Mac OS, but I currently have the new MacBook with the M1 chip, and it's currently not compatible. So I haven't actually tested this on other Mac devices. But yeah, so what you do want to do is just, download BlueStacks. And it's a very small file. And once you have installed it, I'll just show you how it runs. So here's my BlueStacks 4. I'll just open that. Okay, so once you have your BlueStacks app open, after you've downloaded it, you will want to go to the Google Play Store, where you will download the actual app. So as per your normal routine when downloading apps, you just go to your Play Store, search for Twitter, and once you've downloaded it, it will download within the BlueStacks app. So you can just close that and you'll have it right there. Cool. So now that you have your Twitter app open, obviously on your side, you guys will have to log in with your Twitter details. You can then run Twitter Spaces from here as per normal. I'll just make it testing tutorial. And you're done. So yeah, that's basically how I've been hosting my Twitter Spaces. And I'll just show you then how I've been streaming them live. So for streaming, I use an app called Streamlabs OBS. Again, this is a free app that you can download. And I use this to basically record and stream my Twitter Spaces. The download button is just there. I don't think I need to explain how to get to that. And once you have that downloaded, you can just open it up. And this is what it looks like. So what I did is I put my channel's poster, and this is what basically gets streamed directly to YouTube. And as you can see at the bottom here, I have the record button and I have the go live. So while the Spaces is running in the background, as you can see there, I would just click go live and put in all my channel details, the name of the show and so forth. And I just say confirm and go live, and then I'm streaming live. And that's all that you have to do, basically. So yeah guys, if you do have any questions about how to do the settings, because that can get too technical, you can just drop me a message or send me a tweet and I will help you get set up. Peace.